Hi all, good morning. Today let us discuss about the most important topic of pharmaceutics, which is emulsion. So what is emulsion? The advantages and disadvantages of emulsion and types of emulsion, methods of preparation and every other thing we are going to study in this video. So first let us discuss about the definition of emulsion. So as we all know, an emulsion is a biphasic liquid preparation which contain two immiscible liquids. So both are immiscible with each other, that is they do not mix with each other, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into the another. So one immiscible liquid is dispersed as minute globules into the other immiscible liquid. So both liquids are immiscible with each other. So the liquid which is present in larger phase is known as continuous phase, and which is present in smaller phase is known as dispersed phase. So the smaller phase is dispersed as minute globules into the continuous phase. So these are the two phases of emulsion which is mixed and prepared as a emulsion. So this is a diagrammatic representation of an emulsion. It contains two immiscible liquid, one is phase A and phase B. So as you all see, phase A is continuous phase and phase B is dispersed phase. So there are three types of emulsion: two immiscible liquids not emulsified. Then next is emulsion of phase B is dispersed in phase A. So A, that is in continuous phase, the dispersed phase B is dispersed into the continuous phase. Then C is, which is unstable emulsion, which slowly separates, that is the emulsion is not stable. So when standing for a long time, the both phases separates with each other. Then so what is emulsion? So as a common emulsion we all know is oil and water. If we mix oil and water, the miscibility of oil and water is different, so it doesn't mix with each other. So we will get oil and water type of emulsion. So types of emulsion, coming to types of emulsion, we have various types of emulsion. Simple emulsion, which is also known as macro emulsion, oil in water emulsion, then water in oil emulsion, multiple emulsion, we have multiple emulsion also. In multiple emulsion we have two types of multiple emulsion. One is oil in water in oil, that is oil mixed in water again with oil. Then water in oil in water, that is water is mixed in oil and again in water. It is multiple. Then these both the emulsion is known as multiple emulsion because it consists of three phases. Then next is micro emulsion. So we have various types of emulsions here. Then if we want to know about macro emulsion, which is simple emulsion. So in macro emulsion we have two types of macro emulsion, oil in water and water in oil. So in oil in water emulsion, oil droplets is dispersed as continuous aqueous phase, that is water. Aqueous phase is nothing but water, which is a hydrophilic emulsifier. Here for emulsification we are using an emulsifying agent, that is hydrophilic, that is which dissolves in water. Hydro is nothing but water. So hydrophilic in the sense which mixes with water. So that type of emulsifier we are using. These are preferred for oral or IV administration and cosmetics. These are useful as water washable drug bases. Then water in oil type, aqueous droplets are dispersed as oil in water type of emulsion. Here we are using lipophilic emulsifier. There we are using hydrophilic emulsifier, but in case of water in oil emulsion we are using lipophilic emulsifier. So since we are using this lipophilic emulsifier, we can use this for cosmetic preparations. It is also used in treatment of dry skin and emollient application. So emollient application is nothing but during winter season, when we get dry skin, usually our skin will get dry because of humidity. So in that time we will apply moisturizer, lotion, etc. So that type of in that type of preparation, maximum water in oil emulsion is used. Then the difference between oil in water and water in oil emulsion is represented diagrammatically here. So those yellow droplets are oil, that is dispersed phase, and blue color continuous phase is water. So first is oil in water emulsion. Then coming to next picture, which is water in oil emulsion. Here water is dispersed phase and oil phase is continuous phase. So this is water in oil emulsion. So these are both type of emulsion which we will see detail in next video. Thank you.